I'm Jeannette Salinas, and I go to the University of Texas at Austin. I'm an International Relations and Global Studies major with minors in Computer Science and Spanish, and I'm a junior. I was drawn to the London Arcadia program actually by one of the study abroad advisors at a University of Texas. When I barely voiced my opinion about deciding between Spain and London, she was quick to tell me how wonderful Arcadia was, how my experience would be amazing, and that it's such a hand-on approach by Arcadia, and that they genuinely did want to see us succeed, and they would work with us the most. And she said it would be unparalleled to anything that any of the other programs could have offered. This internship and work study program, while I'm also taking classes here at the Arcadia Center, it's definitely lived up to my expectation, if not actually exceeded them. My placement has provided me the wonderful opportunity to actually shadow a criminal defense barrister here in London. And by doing that, we've seen several cases from start to finish, including a murder trial that I was able to work with for 4 weeks. And I was able to go to the Old Bailey and actually sit with counsel and take note for the trial. And that was beyond anything I could have imagined coming into this program. And then on top of that, we've worked with various cases with the European Court of Human Rights and the Court of Appeals at the Royal Courts of Justice. So I would have never imagined I would have been able to go to any of those places, and it's not something that's particularly possible within the United States because law school is an undergraduate thing here. So this opportunity is very unique to London. I think the most interesting day I've had with my law firm during my entire internship would be the day that we actually read out the verdict for the murder trial. It was an amazing experience to be able to actually be in the courtroom and to wait there and listen to the judge read out the verdict and the jury read out their verdict. It was something unparalleled. I think my experience here in London working at a law firm has definitely shaped my career goals, in the fact that I did this internship to see if law school was in my future, and I have definitely come from this internship realizing that it is something I'm very interested in, and I'm going to go back to the States and pursue law school. And something that I wouldn't have expected to have decided here is also look into law schools within the United Kingdom, which is something that I didn't think was possible until coming here. So the opportunity to actually have studied and interned in London has opened so many opportunities that I never would have realized from back home in Texas.